What up? Levi here with Intrinsically There YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and cheap way to turn your 3-season tent into a 4-season tent. There's going to be campfires, ramen noodles, kielbasa, hot chocolate, pancakes, and bacon. Check it out.
Dark in the pasture, and we use flashlights to signal with each other.
Pancake mix is a little bit thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more milk.
Welcome. Please scan your Ingram and place it in. Thank you.
Go ahead. No, did you pack it?
No.
Why?
I thought you did.
Why would I do it? It's not my sleeping bag.
I know you packed
I
it.
got that sleeping bag.
I knew it.
It's supposed to get down to about 35 degrees tonight. I think it'll be fine, but this will be Judah's first cold weather camping trip. So I had planned to go to the mountains, but I ended up having to work this morning, and that lasted a little bit longer than I wanted it to, and didn't get back home until about lunchtime. We decided to come up to a family pasture that's got some woods around the edge, make it a little bit more simple. Add one more reason to why I love truck camping, because I can hook a drop cord up straight from my truck and pump up my air mattress. I got these self-inflating pillows on, what's that thing called? I wish. Temu. So I got these cool self-inflating pillows on Temu. I honestly expected them to be worthless, but when they came in, it's not bad. First day I opened them up, I forced air inside to get it to expand. Once it expands, you just cap it back off, and it's good to go. We'll let those sit and expand for a while. Obviously, these 3-season sun dome tents aren't really made for cold temperatures. Last time I took Asher cold weather camping, it was a little chilly. Had to use the heater all night for him. So I'm gonna try a little something different. I'm gonna see if I can turn this 3-season into a 4-season with an emergency blanket and a bag of plastic clips. It's not perfect, but it works. I can already feel the heat building up in here. Covers up the top vents, keep the heat in, should work well. I had the boys clean out some of the leaves so we could try to avoid any kind of spread for the fire. It's nice coming somewhere where there's already chopped wood.
He's coming in just a minute.
Went with my tried and true way of using dryer lint for the starter. We like our noodles a little warm. Asher, not so much. Me and Judah, absolutely. Easy peel my butt. There we go. And
I need to eat ramen noodles every single night we go camping. Yeah.
it's pretty good. Hold on a second. Asher, how's yours?
So good.
Spice comes out in that broth.
That's good though. Okay.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Hot?
Very good. Yes, a little hot.
Here you go, kid. Some of these logs are pretty damp, so I've got them stacked around the fire and hopefully to dry them out a little bit.
Hey, don't put it on the ground, Pierce. Put it on one of the logs.
Okay, well, I guess we don't need to use it. Hello?
It was a little bit cold, so we had to snug his hood up just a little bit. It's 3:30 in the morning. I would say it's probably around 50 degrees inside the tent. The outside ambient temperature is around 30 degrees, so I would say that the emergency blanket works quite well. There was a few times woke up a little bit chilly, but had to readjust the sleeping bag or readjust Judah's sleeping bag. His hood was fully open last night and he got a little bit cold, so we had to cinch it up tight. Mr. Buddy heater worked well with the emergency blanket, but all in all, wasn't too bad. Now we got to get up into the cold and pack up.
No.
Always have the flame or the igniter ready first before you turn the gas on so that the gas doesn't build up and cause a bit of an explosion. I'm using kids because the boys say mine is too spicy. Brought some bacon. Sweet.
Oh, Daddy, that is good. In the woods, coming around this way. A lot better. I have a question. A serious question. Do you think I'm old enough to have a paintball gun?
Not quite.
Oh. I was just wondering. I wasn't going to use it on my brothers. I was going to use it on you.
But no. So I got these Chanadug self-inflating pillows off of Temu for like $5 a piece. They stayed inflated all night, maybe a little bit of difference when the temperature dropped, but not much at all. It stayed pretty much inflated the whole night. Not bad. Let me know what you guys use in the comments for sleep mattresses, because I'm in the market. For those of you that are questioning Mr. Buddy heaters and their safety inside of tent, as long as you follow the guidelines for proper clearance, you should be fine. Mr. Buddy heaters are made to be indoors. They have safety features to shut them down if something goes wrong. So if the pilot light goes out, a lot of people think that the gas will keep flowing. It's not true. The pilot light is actually what generates the energy to hold the valve open and allow gas to come out. So if there's no pilot light, there's no energy, there's no valve open. It shuts down, shuts your gas off. Most modern propane and natural gas heaters that are made for indoors have these safety features on them. Another safety feature that they usually have is an oxygen depletion sensor. If the oxygen levels fall below a certain level, it'll actually shut the gas off as well. I know this is one of my shorter videos, but if you have any interest in any of this, please like and subscribe. That helps me make more videos. In the comments, let me know some things that you would like to see, things that you liked, things that you didn't like. Obviously, I've got a lot to clean up and take care of today, so see you next time.
Wait, I don't know what to say. With the Intrinsically There YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you how to turn 3 season tent into a 4 season tent.